Authentic caldo de camarón seco. A delicious Mexican main course recipe. This recipe serves 6 servings. Preparation takes about 25 minutes. And cooking takes around 45 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 2 cups dried whole shrimp, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 4 pieces guajillo chilies, 2 pieces pasilla chilies, 3 pieces Roma tomatoes, a half piece white onion, 3 cloves garlic, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 8 cups water, 2 large carrots. Step 1. Prepare the dried shrimp by removing the heads from about half of them. Place these heads in a spice grinder or blender and pulse until they form a fine powder. Keep the remaining whole shrimp intact for texture in the soup. Step 2. In a large dry skillet over medium heat, lightly toast the guajillo and pasilla chilies for 1 to 2 minutes until fragrant, being careful not to burn them. Step 3. Place the toasted chilies, tomatoes, onion, and garlic in a small pot with enough water to cover. Bring to a boil, then simmer for 10 minutes until the chilies are soft. Step 4. Transfer the boiled vegetables and chilies to a blender. Add the dried oregano and about 1 cup of the soaking liquid. Blend until completely smooth. Step 5. In a large heavy-bottomed pot or Dutch oven, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Pour the blended chili sauce through a fine mesh strainer directly into the hot oil. This searing of the salsa is key to developing flavor. Step 6. Cook the salsa for about 5 minutes, stirring constantly until it darkens slightly and thickens. Step 7. Add the 8 cups of hot water and the ground shrimp powder to the pot. Stir well to combine and bring the mixture to a rolling boil. Step 8. Add the carrots and potatoes to the broth. Reduce the heat to medium-low and simmer for 15 minutes. Step 9. Add the whole dried shrimp and the episode sprig to the pot. Continue to simmer for another 10 to 15 minutes until the vegetables are tender and the shrimp have rehydrated. Step 10. Taste the broth carefully. Dried shrimp release a lot of salt, so only add extra salt now if it is absolutely necessary. Step 11. Remove the episode sprig before serving. Lay the hot soup into deep bowls, ensuring everyone gets plenty of shrimp and vegetables. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.